Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you a little bit about the KRK Rokit Auto Standby. This is a new feature on the KRK Rokits. And I think it was in the Generation 3 as well. I'm not totally sure, I can't remember, but uh, it basically helps so that the KRK Rokits turn off after 30 minutes, essentially just helping you to save power. And this is great for people that have studios that they just kind of leave their monitors on all the time, because sometimes it can be a hassle, especially depending on your environment, depending on your setup, to have to reach behind your studio monitors and turn them off every time you want to walk out of the room, or every time you're not using them for a 30-minute or more period of time. So really it's about, first energy saving, which is super important. Of course, we want to save energy, we want to save power. It can help you to just be a better person for the earth, and also help you to cut back on costs. It might seem little, in the big scheme of things, but those little bouts of energy sort of add up. So to me, I think it's a very, very helpful feature. For some, it can be quite annoying. As you can see right here, I did wait till these went on standby for you to look. They are, if you can see it, flashing. There you go, bright and off. So that means that these have gone into auto standby. Now, when they are fully working or fully powered and music or sound is being played out of them, they will be completely lit up. So that's how you know that they've come back to normal, is that they are completely lit up. Some people do complain that it does take them a minute to kind of get back up and going. So when they do eventually go into their digital audio workstation or streaming account or iTunes or whatever, and start to play music, it does take them a second to kind of get back up and running again. You will hear like a little squeak, almost like R2-D2-y sort of sound before they start playing, and it's basically the monitors kind of just powering back up. It's as if you first flip the switch and turn them on again. So that's what you're hearing. There's nothing wrong with your monitors. Some people think that, oh God, like there's something's wrong with the electrical components or whatever, but no, it's not the case. They're just powering up again. Now, if you are somebody who maybe doesn't want this to be happening all the time, there are some programs that you can download to make sure that they do stay on at all times. There is a website that you can go to and download it's essentially a 50 hertz kind of frequency, a sine wave, and it'll be played through your monitors at a very, very low volume every 30 minutes. And that way you can make sure that these are always being, they're always on. But the cool thing is you won't actually hear that really low frequency note being played. But it's just a cool way to make sure if you're someone who doesn't like the fact that they go into auto standby, and you don't want to take that extra second to let them power back up again, there is always that option. Of course, though, this is part of the build, and you can't go in and change it. It's just how they are now. So whether you like it or not, that's part of KRK Rokit design now. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for me. If you have any questions about KRK Rokit Auto Standby, or if you have any insights into just what you think about them, or what you think about the design feature, please feel free to say so in the comments. Alrighty, guys, take it easy.